Today's topic is an owl. The topic is taken by class 7 DPS art book. For making owl, what we have to do, we have to draw 13 centimeter line. For this way, we will leave 3 centimeter above and 3 centimeter bottom side. Then we will draw a vertical line of 13 centimeter. Now we will keep a point at 4 centimeter, then 11 centimeter, as you can see in this video. And afterward, what we have to do, we have to divide the 4 centimeter line, and we will keep a point at 2 centimeter and draw a horizontal line of 5 centimeter, as you can see in this video. Afterward, we will divide the bottom line to 4 centimeter to 11 centimeter. It is of 7 centimeter. We will keep a point at 3.5 centimeter and draw a horizontal line of 7 centimeter. Then we will make an arc, as you can see in this video, like this. And now we will draw an elliptical shape, as you can see, like this. Then we are going to make an oval shape. Yes, first we will make an arc from both sides, and we will connect it with the line. Now we have to keep a point downside of this 7 centimeter line, 1 centimeter downside of this 7 centimeter line, and we will make an arc like this for the wing. So in this way we will draw the wings slowly and remove that arc and try to draw second wings of this owl. Afterward, we will draw a branch of that tree where the owl is sitting. Then remove the previous helping line and draw the facial features like this. And legs also we have to draw. Now we will design the wings, as we can see in the given picture of our book. So in this way we will complete design it. So in this way we will slowly and gradually complete our drawing of owl. Now it's time to do color. For coloring, we have to keep 000 brush, 000 round brush, 2 number brush, 5 number brushes, and our poster color and black gel. So first we will take white poster color and cover the tummy of this owl with the white poster color with the help of 3 number round brush. We will spread the white color with the help of 3 number round brush, like this you can see. And afterward we will take cobalt blue or light green color, and we will mix it and merge it well and make a shade of sea blue color. Some white color we have to mix also, and we will put it from as a outline of the tummy of this owl. Then what we have to do, we have to wash our brush and let it be wet and mix it well with the white color, so it will give some light shade, as we can see in our book. The same manner we have to use the white color in the wings of this owl, and we will have to spread the color on the owl. Then we will take the same shade which we have used in stomach of this picture of this owl. Then we will as you can see in this video, see the same shade I have taken and spread it well, mix it, merge it with the white color in the wing. Then I have taken brown color, so brown and white I have to mix like this. A peach shade will come, and the peach shade I am filling in the design of the wing of owl, as you can see, and we will mix it, merge it with the white color. I have spread here white also, and wash the brush and wipe it well, then merge the color slowly. Then the same shade of green and cobalt blue I am making again, but this time it will be little bit dark. We have to take two brushes of green color and 3 brushes of blue color. Then we will make it dark sea blue color. And now this time I have taken Persian blue color and pure Persian blue color I am coloring here. With the pure Persian blue color I am coloring here. And now wash your brush, take white color and make a design of white color that curves, and mix it well with wet brush. What I am mixing? Persian blue color and that sea blue color we have made with the help of green and cobalt blue. So in this way we will mix and merge the color like this again, and again we have to wash our brush and make it wet and mix the color very well. Now this time I am making curves with the help of Persian blue color. Persian blue. Now I am taking white color, little bit green and blue color I am mixing here again. See, the same shade will come which we have used in the stomach of the owl. Now afterward I am using light green color above of the second wing, then peach color what we have made with the help of brown and white, which we have used in second wings design, as you can see. Now we will keep the color like this as a patch. So now mix it well with the help of wet brush, clean wet brush. Then use sky blue color, then brown. So the same patches you have to use when you are going to make your object drawing. Now taking green, spreading some green color, and taking blue color, and the end of this wing we have to put blue color, then white. We will use the patches of white. Again I am using blue color for making some light drawing. So slowly you have to mix all the shades. Don't use much water. Please take care about the water. Little bit color you have to take and mix it and merge it well with the help of wet brush. Still I am mixing. Afterward I am going to make sap green color. For sap green color I am using light green color and brown and making it sap green color. We can call it mehndi color. Then I am using above mehndi color in this wing like this. Make some patches and wash the brush with the help of wet brush. We will mix and merge the shade with previous given shade. use little bit white color and mix it well. When you are going to mix and merge the color, what you have to do, you have to wash your brush, wipe it properly and little bit keep it wet. Then you go to mix your color. Now I'm using brown color on this design. This way one wings is ready and another one is going to be ready. So make some curve with the help of brown color. I'm again using mehndi color in the sap green color for his tail. For its tail, like this, and I'm going to use white color, so downside I am putting white color and mix it well with the help of wet brush. Always you have to remove the color from the brush, wipe it, then use it. So I am putting the back side of this wing white color, and on the face I am using white color. Downside of eye and half face I have covered with the white, and I am going to use brown color. Surrounding of the eye, both of the eye. Then after brown I will use mehndi color, and it means sap green color I am going to use. Yes. In this way we are trying to get the same shade which we are watching in our book, and I'm spreading it well. And on the head I'm taking blue color, putting it on the head. As you can see here I'm using blue color. Then the side of the face I'm using the same color which we have used in the stomach, so we can give it the 3D shades. For tree branch, somewhere I can use green color, blue color and brown color. 3 color I have mixed on the branch. Now for the eye I have taken yellow color, and I will put yellow color in the eye. And for the beak of the owl I'm using brown color and yellow color. And now it's time to do background of this object. So for background I have made lightest sky blue color for the half of the background, and darkest sky blue color for the half of the background. Darkest one I will use above, and lightest one I am going to use the bottom of this object. As you can see, this is the darkest one, so I am using it on the top of this rectangle. First we have covered the object, we have covered the owl like this, and now we will color it well. Horizontally we have to move our brush, as you can see in this video, and when we will complete it with the dark sky blue color, then we are going to use lightest sky blue color from the bottom of this owl. For doing the color, what you have to do, we have to cover all these object, and then we will color it. Now this time I have completed the picture. For completing picture we can use black gel pen, and we will give some detailing on the owl. So thank you so much. I hope this video will help you a lot. Thank you so much.